After the rain or shine game na lost namin, hindi practice anymore. Wala na. Okay, so it starts to rest his simple. Tapos sinabi niya, may mom stomach siya. Tapos ngayon na sinasabi namin, yeah, come to practice and be a professional. And then, the PDs will lead you kung ano yung ano niya. Pero ang niya, hindi na niya kaya. So, ang sabi naman niya sa amin, he just needs rest and he'll play today and he'll make sure he's 100%. Tapos kanina kinakapat siya, alas 2 ng 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The driver was there, pero hindi siya sumasagot. Nagkasalubong sila, I'm here now, just gonna wait for you, sabi ng driver. Then he went back to his room and locked the door. Wala na, ginawa na. So, totally unprofessional and I think we left us hanging. Wala man lamang kami abiso na hindi kami nakapag-prepare na hindi siya lalaro. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa total 180-degree turn. He was a nice person before. But after that, ano nangyari sa kanya? Hindi ko na alam. And hindi dapat pwede palagpasin ito yung mga ganyang attitude. Hindi ko pwede. Maraming repercussions for this. Okay, sa mga players, sa management, sa coaches, sa mga preparation. Very unfortunate. Talaga nabigla kami talaga sa actions niya for today.